stocks. Joining us now is Mercedes Bent from Lightspeed Venture Partners. Mercedes, great to see you. Thanks so much for joining us. I mean, clearly it's been a crazy week on the AMC and meme stock front. I guess less positive on the Bitcoin front, though.
Yes, and thank you for having me. I think what we're seeing this week is kind of a flip between the meme stocks and the meme coins, with Dogecoin going down, or it's been down a bit over the last few weeks, and AMC, GME, and a couple of others rising. The shift back and forth is really interesting to see happening. And I should note, I'm actually a Doge investor myself.
Does that undermine the valuations for both of these different sets of assets? If it's just a sort of simple trade-off between the two, it kind of raises the question that they'll both be propped up until there's a new fad.
Quite possibly. And I think, this is what's been really interesting to see over the past couple of weeks and months is how retail investors are approaching these meme stocks. I think what retail investors who are investing in these know is that they know what trendsetters have always known, that hype itself is a partial ingredient for success. Now, is it a sufficient, sustainable ingredient for success? No. But in investing, it's at least partially about finding arbitrage opportunities. And the hype around these, the fad around this, does create a short-term dislocation that investors can capitalize on.
So you said you're in Doge, Mercedes. How else are you playing this? Because you've been coming on the show talking about the rise of retail trading for a while and looking at some ways to take advantage, whether private companies or are you actually in the stocks themselves?
Yes, and as an investor at Lightspeed, my daytime role is to invest in really early stage startups that are helping power the economy. So I've invested in retail investing startups. Lightspeed has invested in retail investing startups. And personally, I also invest in some of these. I think when I came on the show a couple of months ago in January at the height of the AMC GME saga, what I was saying is that this is really the investment mindset taking over all retail investors, and brands are going to need to be tapping into this investment mindset more. And just a few days ago, we saw AMC release their new product, the AMC Investor Connect, a platform for them to go directly to their 3 million retail investors. So it seems like a lot of this momentum is just continuing to play out, and I'm not sure it's going to stop anytime soon.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.